Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. So today, as you can tell by the title, I will be sewing on my 30-inch U-part wig. Right now I'm just showing you my anchor braids and my braid pattern. My braids are not perfect, but yeah, let's just get right into this video. So this is a U-part that I made that I was wearing for my birthday. Right now I'm about to just cut off the excess wig cap that is left on the lace, and yeah, let's get right into this video. So after cutting the excess wig cap off, what I like to do is try my U-part on to make sure that all of my anchor braids are lining up with the U-part. Make sure it's a perfect fit. Make sure everything is just lining up perfectly. I also like to make sure that there's also no lumps because we don't like lumps. And yeah, you see how nice and flat that lays? That is exactly what we want. This hair, the luster, the length, everything about it I just love. This hair is from my hair company that I am working on, that will be coming out soon. Stay tuned, follow me on Instagram, that link will be down below. But yeah, what I like to do is I like to get clips, and the clips help me to just keep the wig in place while I sew it down. Okay, you guys, once everything is nice and flat, you're ready to sew your U-part on. I like to get as close to the end of my braid as possible to make sure that everything is secure, nothing will move, and everything will lay as flat as possible. So this part of the video is really self-explanatory, so I'm gonna just let you guys watch as I do a couple of stitches, and I'll be back when it comes to sewing the sides of the wig down. Just know, guys, it took me forever to record this video because I'm still getting used to this YouTube thing, so please do not come for me in these comments. Just bear with me, I will get better, and I also plan on being really consistent from now on. So leave a comment down below, let me know what type of videos you would like me to do, coloring videos, etc. Let me know, leave it down below. So now I'm just showing you guys how to create a simple, easy knot. First, you want to just take the thread, wrap it around the needle 3 times, and then pull. That creates the knot, and that secures your stitch. Okay guys, so now we're at the sides. We're basically doing the same exact thing that we were doing in the middle where the U part is. Just laying everything flat and sewing it nice and seamlessly, securing the wig, making sure the wig is secured, making sure it's not going anywhere. And we're basically going to do that at the sides and the back. That's self-explanatory, so I'm gonna just be back when it comes to the styling portion of the video. So yeah. So I did sew the other side of the wig off camera, but now we are completely done sewing this U-part on, and now it is time to style. What I like to use is my hot comb and my holy grail flat iron, the Babyliss Pro Titanium flat iron. I love this flat iron, it gets my hair super straight, and a little bit of my cheese silk infusion to get my hair bone straight. Okay, so my hair is completely flat ironed out. I did the other side off camera. So now I'm gonna show you guys a trick. Well, not really a trick, but just an extra step that I like to take to just help my hair blend better with the lengths that I'm wearing, because I am wearing long lengths. The lengths that I'm wearing is 30, 26, and 28 if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, this is just extra piece of hair that I just had laying around or like left over from the unit. So what I like to do is just part out a section of my natural hair, and I'll just glue a track in between where I parted so that it's easier for my hair to blend. This is not really a new trick. This has always been around, but I don't know. I just like doing it just because it helps my hair blend. The glue that I like to use is the 30-second hair glue. I found this at my local beauty supply store. I've always used it and it honestly works the best for me. So yeah, as you can see, I just lay the track where I parted and then boom, just watch it blend. You'll see what I'm talking about. As you can see, doing that extra step did help my hair blend. You don't have to do this step, but I do what's best for me, and I just love how the results came out. And yeah, do what's best for you. Like, there are never any rules to this. Just do what's best for you, and I do what's best for me. Okay, so after doing the other side off camera, I basically just flat ironed my hair, pressed out everything, and boom, I was done. Like, this install came out so bomb. I love this hair. This hair is the hair that I will be providing pretty soon. I also will leave my booking information down below in the description box just in case you guys want to book an appointment. Guys, do you see this hair? Like, oh my gosh. But thank you guys so much for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And yeah, thank you guys so much. See you in my next video. Join the game, guys. Join the game. Do not forget to subscribe.